Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I am showing you one of the classes being released for October. This one is Alpine Adventure, and it has the stamp set. It has a bundle, it has the stamp set and the thinlets called Alpine Sports Thinlets. I think it's a great set, and I love that I made all the projects that could be very masculine for Christmas. As usual, there are 4 ways to get this class, and so option number 1 includes the bundle, a pack of rhinestones, and then a pack of the festive farmhouse cotton twine, which is great. It's thicker and soft, and I love playing with it while I was creating all these cards. And this option is $69, but again, you get everything as well as the make and take for these 6 projects. You also get the PDF and the video tutorial for all these for all the projects. Now there is also, it's $69 plus there is an $8 shipping on mail priority, so there's a tracking number with it so I can follow it. Now option number 2 is for those of you who are who already have this bundle, or maybe you're a demonstrator and you can get this at a discount. So if you already have this, or you can get it yourself, the option 2 is the one for you. Option 2 includes only the rhinestones as well as the twine. And again, the make and take packet, the video tutorials with the PDF and with the pictures, and that option is $35. There is also a shipping fee of $8. And but you are local to me, and I am in the Frisco, Texas area. You can choose to pick up at my house, and you can save the $8 shipping. So that's option 2, and that's the same for shipping 1. You can save on the shipping if you want to pick it up at my house. Now option 3, it's where you get only the tutorial to make all these projects, and that option is only $20. Now one thing is that the tutorial the first time is sent to you at the same time I mail the packets. Then afterwards I'll be uploading these tutorials on my tutorial page where you can purchase them on a regular basis. But for the first time when they're being released, these are being sent at the same time I am mailing the packets. So now option number 4 is for my team, which is Alice's Stamping Pals. They get all the tutorials for free for as a reward for being on my, or as a benefit I should say, for being on my team. But they can choose to get the make and take packet for $15. Now they can since they can get all the different products using their discount, I just have an option for them where they can get the make and take packet for $15. I'll put also some information here about joining my team in case you want to get all my tutorials for free and the make and take packets at a discount. Now the deadlines for this class are the sign up will be October 24. At that time the sign-ups get closed for the make and takes, and then I have to order, prep, cut, and mail everything back by November 3rd. So anyway, I hope you like this class. I think that all the projects are very masculine, very festive. I love designing this class, and so hopefully you order this one as well. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.